Run GPT-5 locally on your laptop, free open source. Spoiler, your CPU might file a restraining order. Let's cut to the chase. You want GPT-5, not the lobotomized web browser version, not the corporate sanitized chatbot. You want the raw, unfiltered, potentially unhinged brainpower of a next-gen large language model humming on your own machine. No subscriptions, no censors, no, I'm sorry, Dave, I can't do that moments. Oh, and you want it free and open source. Sounds like digital fairy tales and unicorn code, right? Buckle up, Buttercup. It's time to turn your laptop into a molten slab of sci-fi rebellion. And yes, it's actually possible. Mostly, bring thermal paste. The forbidden fruit. Why local GPT-5 is the ultimate tech flex. Think about it. Running GPT-5 locally isn't just cool. It's a middle finger to the cloud. It's digital self-reliance. It's whispering, my data stays with me. Thank you very much, while generating sonnets about quantum entanglement or debugging your cousin's questionable Python script. No more begging API providers for access. No more fearing the dreaded rate limit exceeded message mid-inspiration. Just you, your machine, and an AI brain the size of a small planet, or at least several gigabytes of your SSD. Reality check. It's not exactly GPT-5, but it's damn close and free. Okay, deep breaths. Actual, official, OpenAI branded GPT-5 isn't open source. Shocking, I know. They tend to keep their crown jewels locked up tighter than a dragon's hoard. But the open source community moves faster than a caffeinated squirrel on a coding spree. What we have are GPT-5 class models, neural networks rivaling GPT-4 Turbo in capability, often inspired by leaked specs or architectural guesses about GPT-5, trained on massive datasets, and crucially, released with permissive licenses allowing local, private, free use. Meet your new best friends. They live on Hugging Face. Meta's Llama 3, 70B plus, the heavyweight champion. Think GPT, 4 turbo levels of reasoning, coding, and creativity. Runs beautifully. If your laptop has the muscle of a small data center. Mistral Next / Mixtral 8X22B, the clever Europeans. Smarter, faster, leaner. Often punches above its parameter weight class. A favorite for balance. Command R Plus / DeepSeek. V2, the specialists. Unparalleled at research, tool use, and long context understanding, like digesting entire novels. Open source contenders fine-tunes models like DBRX or Almo, or fine-tunes like News Hermes 2.5, pushing the boundaries of what open weights can do. The hardware gauntlet. Is your laptop ready for the AI apocalypse? This isn't running Minesweeper. Running a 70B plus parameter model locally is like asking your Honda Civic to pull a 747. Prepare for liftoff and possibly thermal shutdown. 1. RAM. The more, the merrier, the less you cry. 1 absolute minimum. 16 gigabytes. Expect sloth mode. Good for smaller 7B models only. 2 realistic sweet spot. 32 gigabytes DDR5. Lets you comfortably run 13B, 34B models, like Mistral 8X22B or Llama 334B, quantized. 3 God mode. 64 GB plus DDR5. You can almost flirt with quantized 70B models, Llama 370B. Your laptop fan will sound like a jet engine preparing for war. Invest in cooling pads. Seriously. 2. VRAM, your GPU's battle armor. Won the golden ticket. An NVIDIA GPU with at least 12 gigabytes VRAM, 16 GB plus ideal. RTX 3060 gigabit, RTX 4070 gigabit, RTX 4080 16 GB. This is where models fly using CUDA acceleration. To Mac users, M-series chips rejoice. Apple's unified memory is your superpower. M1/M2/M3 Pro, Max, or Ultra with 32 GB plus RAM can run surprisingly large models well via metal acceleration. The M3 Max 128 gigabytes, you're basically royalty. 3 Intel/AMD iGPU warriors, bless your hearts. You can run smaller models, 7B, using CPU only or OpenCL, but prepare for responses measured in geological time. Hey model, write a haiku about checks watch, patience. 3. Storage, where giants sleep, a fast NVMe SSD, 1 TB plus recommended. These model files are huge, e.g., a quantized Llama 370B is 40 GB. Loading from a spinning hard drive? You'll have time to brew coffee, knit a sweater, and contemplate the meaning of life before the prompt appears. The Magic Wand, software to tame the beast, no PhD required. Gone are the days of needing a summoning circle of bash scripts. User-friendly tools make this shockingly accessible. 1. GPT-4 All, the people's champion. https://GPT4all.io. One White Rocks, dead simple installer, Windows, Mac, Linux. Huge built-in model hub, download Llama 3, Mistral, etc. with one click. Clean, chat-based interface. Handles quantization automatically. Perfect for beginners and pros who value simplicity. It just works. 2. The Oops, limited advanced configuration. You get what they offer, which is excellent, but not infinitely tweakable. 2. LM Studio, the power user's playground. https://lmstudio.ai. One White Rocks, searches and downloads models directly from Hugging Face. Incredible control over loading parameters, quantization levels, GGUF, threading. Advanced chat features. Feels like a professional toolkit. 2. The slightly steeper learning curve. Requires knowing which model files to grab. Look for GGUF format. 3. Llama, the terminal ninja's delight. https://ollama.com. One White Rocks, lightweight, command line focused, Llama run Llama 3:70B. Super efficient, great for automation, scripting, and server use. Mac/Linux love it. 2. The Wait What? No GUI. Requires comfort with the terminal. Less beginner-friendly visual feedback. 4. Text Generation WebWe, the Mad Scientist Lab. https://github.com/oobiabuga/text-generation-webui. One White Rocks, the most powerful, customizable option. Supports virtually every model format and loader. Transformers, Llama.cpp, Xllama v2. Massive ecosystem of extensions, voice, images, character personas. If you can dream it, you can probably hack it in here. 2. The Abandon Hope, all ye who enter. Installation can be fiddly, Python dependencies. Overwhelming interface for newbies. Requires significant tinkering for the truly dedicated. The Moment of Truth, firing up your personal AI overlord. 1. Pick your poison. Download and install GPT-4 All or LM Studio. Easy to start. 2. Summon a model. Browse the built-in hub, GPT-4 All, or search Hugging Face within LM Studio for a GGUF model file, e.g., the Bloke/Llama 3-70B. Instruct GDUF. 3. Download the giant. Select a quantization level. Q4_K_M or Q5_K_M are good balances of quality/speed for 70B. Q8 for max quality if you have RAM/VRM to burn. Click download. Go make a sandwich. Or 3. 4. Load and converse. Once downloaded, select the model and hit load. Your fans will spin up like a 747 on takeoff. The interface loads, and boom, a blank chat window. The power is yours. 1 prompt. Write a resignation letter in the style of a Shakespearean sonnet, citing irreconcilable differences with the coffee machine. 2 prompt. Explain quantum field theory like I'm a very smart golden retriever. 3 prompt. Debug this Python code that's trying to turn my webcam into a toaster. Results may vary. The cold shower, performance realities, and legitimacy. Speed. Don't expect ChatGPT speeds. A powerful laptop might give you 5 to 20 tokens per second on a big model. Perfectly usable for conversation, agonizing for generating novels. Smaller models, 7B, 13B, are much snappier. Quality. Top open source models, Llama 370B, Mixtral 8x22B, are astoundingly good, often indistinguishable from GPT-4 for many tasks. But they can still hallucinate facts or write code with subtle bugs. Verify critical outputs. Is this really GPT-5? No, it's the open source state of the art, which is arguably as good or better than GPT-4 in specific areas, and represents the class of models GPT-5 competes with. It's the closest free, private, and censored experience you can get to that next-gen capability. Ethics and safety. With great power comes great responsibility. These models have fewer guardrails. Be mindful of potential biases and misuse. The open-source ethos relies on responsible use. The verdict. Why bother when ChatGPT exists? Because freedom isn't free, but local AI is. Running these models locally means total privacy. Your sensitive documents, wild ideas, or embarrassing questions stay yours. Uncensored creativity. No corporate filters blocking dark humor, niche research, or unconventional ideas. Offline superpowers. Work on planes, in remote cabins, or during the apocalypse, Wi-Fi optional. The geek joy. The sheer thrill of commanding cutting-edge AI on your own terms, on your own machine. It's the future democratized. Bragging rights, casually dropping, "Oh, I just run Llama 370B locally for that" in conversation. Priceless. Final bite. Your laptop may never be the same. Running GPT-5 Class AI locally isn't a walk in the park. It demands hardware grit, a dash of patience and tolerance for the gentle roar of your cooling fans composing the symphony of the future. It might occasionally hallucinate that your cat is a quantum anomaly or suggest debugging your code with interpretive dance. But the moment you get that first, brilliant, unfiltered, yours response generated entirely offline, that's magic. It's the feeling of holding a piece of the future, raw and untamed, in the palm of your hand, or more accurately, on the chassis of your now slightly warmer laptop. It's proof that the most powerful AI isn't just locked in the cloud. It's erupting open source and free onto machines everywhere. Now go forth, download responsibly, and maybe buy your CPU a sympathy drink. It's earned it. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.